Hey, hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see grouping sets. Let's say we have a table ID, name, gender, salary, and department, and we have to find salary per department, like how much we are paying to the each department in our table. Also, we need to find out how much we are giving to males and females in each department. So based on this table, we have to generate this result. So let's see. We'll write a query. I have already created a table called employees. So I'll select the database first. Employees. So you can see this part, right? This is the table. So let's say we'll first calculate this total salary that we are paying. So we'll write to sum of the salary from our table. So we'll see, we'll give as alias as total salary, and you can see we are currently paying 61,500 to our employees, the total salary. So let's say how much we are paying each department. So for that we'll write a group by clause. In this we'll split this salary within the departments, like so. Let's see, the finance department is having total salary of 26,500, HR is having total salary of 20,000, and IT is having total salary of 15,000. I'll just give a alias and write it as total salary by department. Now we want this total salary as well as the salary per gender. So in finance department, how much is the total salary and how it is getting split into males and females. So in similar way, we can just add a column, right, called gender, and we'll use it in our group by clause as well, and we can execute that. So you can see over here that we'll write order by as well. So order by department. So you can see here the finance department females are getting 14,500 while males are getting 12,000. In a similar way, HR and IT, we can see the salary. But what we need to do is we need union, like we want total salary per department, that is this, and total salary by gender in each department. In each department. So we can do it in this way. We can write union all, and for now we can write it as null as gender, and we can execute this way. So you can see we'll get a total salary. So finance is having total salary of 26,500, and in finance females are getting 14,500 while males are getting 12,000. But apart from union all, there is another way which we can write a query, which is grouping set. Select department, comma, gender, and sum of salary from our employees table, then group by, we can pass grouping set. So for now we have to use department and gender. Since we want salary, total salary by gender in each department, we can pass gender, department, and gender. We also want total salary by department, so we'll write department. Once we execute this query, oh, so yeah, it's grouping sets. So once we execute this query, we'll see we got our expected result, like finance. Okay, over here finance, the total salary is 26,500, and the females are getting 14,500 while males are getting 12,000. So we can also use order by department and then gender. So once we execute this, we'll get our expected result. That is, for finance, the total salary is 26,500 while females are having 14,500 and males are having 12,000. You can see in each department we got the expected result. We can also write like this. Let's say apart from department, we just want salary by gender. So we can just write gender in the grouping set, and we can execute this part. So you will see the first two rows, the total salary in this table by female is 25,500, for and for male it is 36,000. We can also calculate a total salary. So we just need to pass the blanks in the round bracket, or we just pass the round bracket. So you can see in department it is null and the gender is null. So the total salary would be 61,500. So instead of writing multiple union all statement, we can write only one single SQL statement, and we can calculate the salary by each department, by gender, by department and gender, and the total salary. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.